Welcome to Purple Trading, where we offer you cTrader, the incredibly comprehensive platform that has raised the standards in the online trading industry. In our last videos, we have looked at most of the amazing features of cTrader, and in this video, we will look at Analiza, the post-trading analysis app that highlights your strengths and weaknesses and helps you keep an eye on your account. On the side menu, click on Analiza, where we will start with an overall summary of your account. Net profit over the entire life of your account. Profit factor, which is the ratio of the total net profit versus the total net loss. Percent profitable, which is the ratio of the number of the winning trades to the total number of trades. If you find these last two figures decreasing over time, you may need to examine your trading tactics. Max balance drawdown, which is the maximum amount of the current account balance drawdown. If you see this number increasing over time, you may need to examine your risk management. Starting balance, which was the balance when the account was created. Current balance. Equity, which is the sum of the current balance and the open positions. Deposits in cash, including the starting balance. Withdrawals in cash. Margin used, considering the margin used on open positions and the net margin used on hedged positions. Active since, which is the date the account was activated. Hover over any icon for a brief description. The equity window shows you your account balance and equity, minimum and maximum, over a variety of preset time periods or a specific time period. Hovering over any point on the balance line gives you details of that specific point in time. For a smoother view of the equity line chart, you may show deal aggregation over each hour or each day. Your performance stats are displayed for the entire life of the account with volume traded, average deal size based on closed positions, total trades, winning trades showing the total number and percentage of winning trades, long winning trades and their percentage, short winning trades and their percentage, losing trades showing the total number and percentage of losing trades, long losing trades and their percentage, short losing trades and their percentage. Performance shows a bar graph looking at the years the account has been operating and displays results in monthly and daily perspectives, showing green for winning trades and orange for losing trades, and you may hover over a bar to see the figures. For example, this trader seems to be doing much better on Tuesdays than Thursdays, and we can see specifics by hovering over the bar. Volume can tell us where we are exerting the most effort and risk in all traded instruments, and we may view more details by hovering over the chart or each line item symbol, which can be broken down by time periods from 1 day to 1 year and all time. The volume of each symbol is shown along with the average deal size, which, when combined with the percentage of winning and losing trades, may indicate position sizes that are too large. Profitability shows us just that, listing your most profitable symbols in green and losing symbols in amber to red, which can also be broken down by time periods. Information like this is a key step to understanding your success or failure, and when understood, can help alleviate issues with trading psychology and help to show us on which symbols we should be placing more or less emphasis. And finally, we can see an overall view of our trades broken down into categories like long trades and short trades, largest losing and winning trades, average pips, and average trade duration. These trades are broken down by symbols, which also helps to highlight your strengths and weaknesses. That's all for now. In our next video, we will look at an overview of algorithmic trading. We hope you will enjoy this cTrader desktop and web video series and embarking on your new exciting trading journey with Purple Trading. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to be purple.